EJU really give you 100% scholarships? And the answer is a big yes. And Education Japan is bringing you this video specifically to make you understand how you can study in Japan with 100% scholarship. So there are many ways to increase your chances of scholarships, and today in this video I am going to talk specifically about one examination that you can take, and this examination, if you score well, of course, it will ensure that you receive best scholarships in Japan. This examination, if you score well, of course, it will ensure that you receive best scholarships in Japan. I am talking about none other than EJU exam. My name is Deepti Singh and I am your admissions counselor for Japanese universities. So next university recommendation, as you understand that university can nominate students under university recommendation. University can recommend the candidate's name for MEC scholarship. And in this case, if you have submitted your EJU scores which are substantially high, the university will definitely recommend your name for MEC scholarship. They will have good grounds to recommend your name for MEC scholarship. JASO Honor Scholarship. High EJU scorers, as I said, they receive a monthly support to help with living expenses and costs in the first year. And if your scores are good, you can also apply for continuation of this scholarship. The third is university specific scholarships. So prestigious universities like University of Tokyo, Kyoto University and many other universities, they use these scores for tuition waivers. So there are definitely greater chances for you to receive these tuition waivers if you are going to score well in your EJU exam. Now, what is the best strategy for you as a student to really ace your EJU exam? Number one is to learn the format of EJU examination. My recommendation is please download the past papers of EJU examination and start from there. You basically understand the format and try to attempt those question papers within the given time. Number two, Japanese language is the king if you are going to study in Japan. There is no getting away from this fact. Although there are degree programs that are available 100% in English, but my recommendation still would be, if you start early, please start learning Japanese. And if you do that, Japanese will carry highest weight in your application, and you must invest serious time and energy in mastering the language. Third is to master your core subjects. If you are a science student, then of course mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology, you have to master these subjects. If you are a business student, mathematics to some extent is definitely something you should be confident about, and also economics and global topics. So these are mandatory. You must look into these core subjects. Practice time management is another advice I have for you. So while attempting mock papers, make sure that you are attempting them within the time limit. Most important, not taken seriously no matter how often I tell you, is to start early. So the earlier you get in touch with us, much easier for you to find a pathway for yourself to study in Japan. And like EJU, there are many other methods to make sure that you stay consistent on the path that gives you access to maximum scholarships and also admissions to the best of universities in Japan. My suggestion, please start at least 3 years in advance, and in worst scenarios, at least 1 year in advance. Let's take examples of two students, right? Student A is not able to make up their mind whether they want to study in Japan, and they keep postponing getting in touch with us, and eventually what happens? They apply only at the last moment, filling up the application form and hoping that they get through the university. Of course, with this kind of preparation, even getting a 50% scholarship can be challenging. Let's look at student B. Now they get in touch with us early on when, let's say, when they are in class 9 and 10 maybe. That time they contact us and they discuss their course selection, which courses are required to pursue the career that they want. We prepare them for EJU exam, Japanese language. We prepare them for other scholarships that are available and university exams that are available in Japan for top universities in Japan. And that's how, of course, the student B wins the race with a great scholarship, top university, and a great career ahead. So career planning is done much well in advance, keep that in mind. And also EJU preparation, you must make up your mind well in advance so that you can prepare and attempt the exam. How we can help you? I think I just narrated how Education Japan can actually help you in your journey. My sincere request, get in touch with us early so that we get you on the right track for success in Japan. So that's all for today's video, and I hope many of you are taking EJU exam this November. If you are not, the next one will be early 2026 and we will be announcing the date soon. So stay in touch and keep watching our videos. We really like to interact with you. So if you want to talk to us, please comment below and drop a hi or anything else at all. Thank you. Thank you for watching.